Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sanding blocks for auto body work that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, woodworking, or metal polishing, these sanding blocks are designed to deliver professional-grade results. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Woodworking Sanding Blocks Auto Body Set. This 7-piece set is designed to replace traditional 3M sanding blocks, offering a versatile solution for auto body work, woodworking, and crafts polishing. One standout feature is the medium-density polyurethane foam construction, which provides rigidity while maintaining resilience. The hook and loop design ensures strong adhesion, so your sandpaper stays put even during intensive use. The variety of shapes and sizes in this set allows for seamless entry into tight spaces, making it ideal for detailed work on door edges, bumpers, and other tricky areas. In terms of design, the blocks feel ergonomic and are easy to grip, which is great for reducing hand fatigue during long sanding sessions. While it doesn't come with sandpaper included, the blocks are compatible with most adhesive sandpapers, giving you the freedom to customize your grit levels. However, this product is relatively new to the market, and while its durability is promising, it hasn't yet amassed the glowing customer reviews of some competitors. Overall, the Woodworking set is a solid option for those who value versatility and durability. It's perfect for home repair enthusiasts and DIYers who need a reliable sanding solution. However, the lack of included sandpaper and its slightly less established reputation compared to other brands may hold it back for more professional users. At number 4, we have the Vulsive Hand Sanding Block Set. This kit includes 7 sanding blocks of various shapes and sizes, making it versatile for a wide range of projects. Whether you're sanding large panels or intricate contours, this set has you covered. The PSA base allows for quick and easy sandpaper changes, saving time and effort. A key benefit for professionals working on tight deadlines. Additionally, these blocks perform well in both wet and dry conditions, ensuring consistent results in auto body shops or woodworking applications. The design is robust, featuring a durable construction that holds up under repeated use. The blocks are lightweight but sturdy, and their ergonomic shapes make them comfortable to handle. One notable feature is the dynamic design, which hugs complex surfaces and contours, delivering a smooth finish with minimal effort. However, this set does not come with sandpaper included, so you'll need to purchase that separately. While the product has received overall positive reviews, a few users noted that the adhesive backing could be stronger for heavy-duty sanding jobs. This set is a great choice for those looking for versatility and efficiency. It's ideal for DIYers, auto body professionals, and woodworking enthusiasts. While it doesn't rank higher due to its occasional adhesive limitations, it's still an excellent choice for most sanding tasks. Taking the number 3 spot is the MLIYYBE Sanding Blocks Auto Body Set. This kit is packed with 7 multi-shaped blocks and 6 premium sandpapers, ranging from 80 to 2000 grit. Its versatility is perfect for tackling automotive bodywork, woodworking, and polishing tasks. Unlike some competitors, the included sandpapers mean you're ready to go right out of the box, covering everything from rust removal to ultra-smooth paint preparation. The blocks are made from lightweight polyurethane foam with a slip-resistant design that securely holds non-adhesive sandpaper in place. The ergonomic design is a standout feature, offering a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended sessions. The rounded and curved blocks make it easy to work on complex contours like bumpers and door edges, while the flat blocks are perfect for smoothing large panels. Wet or dry, the blocks perform consistently, making them ideal for both paint correction and woodworking projects. However, while the foam construction is lightweight, it may not be as durable as EVA foam options for heavy-duty sanding applications. Overall, the MLIYYBE set strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts or professionals working on a variety of projects. The included sandpapers add significant value, making this a convenient and versatile option for beginners and experts alike. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Dura-Block set, a 6-piece kit that's highly regarded for its flexible EVA foam construction. This set includes blocks of various sizes and shapes, making it ideal for large panels, detailed creases, and recessed areas. The closed-cell EVA foam doesn't soak up water during wet sanding, delivering consistent results whether you're working on automotive bodywork or woodworking. The blocks are compatible with PSA sandpaper, allowing for even pressure distribution and a smooth finish. The design is lightweight and easy to handle, with excellent durability that holds up to repeated use. The rounded block and scruff blocks are particularly useful for tight spaces and curved surfaces. Users appreciate the versatility of this kit, and the customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive, boasting a 4.8-star average rating. However, sandpaper isn't included in the kit, so you'll need to purchase it separately. The Dura-Block set is a fantastic choice for professionals who need reliable and durable tools for auto bodywork and paint preparation. While it's slightly pricier than other options, its performance and flexibility make it well worth the investment. Taking the number 1 spot is the Dura-Gold Pro Series Classic Rectangle Hand Sanding Block Kit. For just $29.99, this 3-piece set delivers premium quality performance and versatility. The blocks come in 3 lengths: 5 inches, 7 3/4 inches, and 10 inches, and feature a unique dual system that allows for both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper attachment. The medium-density polyurethane foam construction ensures durability and control, making these blocks ideal for flat surfaces, tight corners, and contours. The design is ergonomic and easy to grip, offering excellent control for precise sanding jobs. The blocks are compatible with longboard file sandpapers, making them perfect for auto body shops, woodworking, and metalworking projects. Users praise the versatility of these blocks, as they can tackle everything from paint prep to fine detailing. With a customer rating of 4.3 stars, the Dura-Gold kit is widely recognized for its reliability and ease of use. However, it's worth noting that sandpaper isn't included, so you'll need to source that separately. Overall, the Dura-Gold Pro Series kit offers unbeatable value for its price. It's ideal for professionals and DIYers who want high-performance tools without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-use sanding block set, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.